Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Password Manager on Chrome in 2026. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open Google Password Manager. Here you'll see a list of all your saved passwords. You can use the search bar to quickly find any website or account. Click on any saved account to view the username and password. If you need to update your login details, click Edit, make the necessary changes, and then click Save. If you no longer need a saved password, click Delete to remove it from Google Password Manager. Next, open the Password Checkup section. Google will automatically check your saved passwords and identify weak, reused, or compromised passwords. If any passwords are at risk, Google will recommend changing them to improve your account security. One of the best features of Google Password Manager is Autofill. When you visit a website and sign in, Chrome can automatically fill in your saved username and password, making the login process much faster and more convenient. If you use the same Google account across multiple devices, your saved passwords can sync between Chrome and your other devices, so you can access them whenever you need. That's how to use Google Password Manager on Chrome in 2026. It's a simple and secure way to save, manage, and protect your passwords. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.